What is going on, Pokey friends and family? Tonight, I am coming to you very sick. You might hear it in my voice. And I just had to come and make a video though, because I've been completely out of commission for the last week and a half or so. And I just needed to get back in the swing of things. And tonight, we're gonna open up a Stellar Crown ETB and some boxes. See, I can't even think. Some packs that came in a mystery box. And what a mystery. 2 Obsidian Flames and a Paradox Rift. That's about as non-mysterious as it can get. But it is what it is, and that's what we got. So, without further ado, let's get into it. And as always, I hope everybody had a good day, a great evening. Actually, hopefully y'all had a great weekend. And hopefully y'all were able to get into some Pokemon of your own. But if not, well, you know we're about to get into it together. So, let's find out what this ETB has in store for us tonight. Will it bring the goods? Or will it disappoint? That is to be seen. And when we figure it out, we will hopefully have something to be happy about and not be bummed out. Bad enough I'm sick. The last thing I need to do is be sick and get a bust on these packs tonight. So, here we go. Let's get into it quickly. Come on. First pack. Will we get into it on a good foot? Start off on a good note. Let's see. On the right foot, however you say it. I don't know, my brain ain't working properly. Too much medication in the system. But Pony Top is gonna get it going. Very good picture. Very good illustration, Pony Top. Grubbin, Varoom, Drifloon, Azumarill, Area 0 Undergets, Luminion, and our first is Ladybug. Second, we got Frogadier, and our rare is Cradley. Look at that. What a very good looking card. Bradley Hollow. That is a banger. You don't see that too often. I'll tell you what. And of course, behind that, we got our energy. That's what I am in need of, is some energy. Can't wait till I get better. It's been many days of the cold, but today was the worst day of them all. And hopefully after the worst day comes a better day. But we will find out when we awake tomorrow morning. In the meantime, we're gonna find out what Stellar Crown can do for us. Reminded me of the State Farm commercial. What could Stellar Crown do for you? Code card. And Handseer. Carnivine. Pommy. Fan Rodham. Lantern. Rare. And our first reverse. Oh, Azumarill. Now it's our first. We got Rhyperior. Second. Salazzle. Rare. Oh, look at that, Pokey friends and family. We got Earthworm EX. Double rare. And just like that, we are starting to squirm around. I don't know. Oh, nonsense. Nothing but nonsense. Very good looking card though. Very cool. Not too shabby. if I might say so myself. And we will speed it up. Gosh, that was brutal. Oh, God. That was tough. That was tough to do and tough to listen to. I do apologize. But we will not give up on the hunt. Let's get something good, really good. Something amazing, ablazing. Code card. And Duraldon. Joltik. Turtonator. The Turtonator. Toad Gold. Lantern. Rare. Azumarill. And our first is Lileep. Second, Turkey. Rare. Spooky friends and family, we are in the business. Yes. We got Cinderace EX. We got the special illustration rare. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. That is beautiful. Beautiful. And just like that, we are cooking with fire. Yes. Ooh, that is one beautiful card. Beautiful. Look at that. Get another good peek. One last gander. That is amazing. Simply amazing. And we will sleeve him up. I took it easy on that one because the last one was very tough to listen to. And we will quickly, ever so quickly, get him taken care of. Yes. Yes, indeed. Oh, we gotta sleeve up these other two. Oh, forgot about it. Got such a nice hit there. Oh, very happy with that one. Very, very happy. There's one for the book. Or for the books, as they say. That's one for the books. Two for the hooks. Three for the cooking. And four to get you. By the way, it was beautiful. Beautiful. And we are going into Code Card City. And we're kicking it off with Tauros, Fido, Applin, Crowbrawler, Kofu, Mewtwo, Lacey. And our first is Reaver. Second, we got Reverum. And our rare is Alcremie. Alcremie, beautiful card. Beautiful hollow. Goes from a pink cream into a pink foil into the pink card. Beautiful. Beautiful. And we will get this sleeved up. Whoa. What happened there? Something's flying. Something's flying. No, action figures dying. Gotta get Meowth standing up here. Or a little down here. All right. Sorry about that. Hope you're ready, family. Knocking everything over, disturbing the peace. We are not consistent tonight, but I'm telling you, I'm dealing with a bit of a cold. And very much so a head cold. It's got me wonky. But we will fight through it. And hopefully find some more hits. Take some more of those cards like Cinderace there. We'll pull another one of those variants. It'll be nice. And Code card for the business. We got Milcery, Meryl, Rhyhorn, Ponyta. We got Reshiram, Lumineon, Marowak. And our first is Mienfoo. Second, we got Charjabug. And our rare is Cradily. Or Cradily. Which one? I don't know. I guess which one you like best. Cradily. I would go with Cradily if it was Cradily. You'd have to have two L's there, I believe. If I do say so. And I am saying so. But I could be wrong. Don't get me twisted. I'm not saying I'm 100 on that. I could be wrong. But once again, very good looking card. And I never knew up until tonight who Lileep's previous evolution was. So now I know. Now I know where Lileep comes from. Alright. Cinderace. We got him already, but
Here he is on the pack work. Oh, shoot. And code card. And we're starting off with Voodoo. Salandi. Diplin. Panseer. Celebi. Electivire. Jirachi. And our first is Celebi. Second, we got Bombardier. And our rare is Zerora Hollow. Good looking card, don't get me wrong. Very good looking card. But it's just a hollow. And we've seen nicer ones tonight. So, it is what it is. And we will keep on trucking. Keep on moving along. Just singing a song, doing it wrong, playing along. Here we go. With pack numero, who knows what? 6, 7, somewhere around there. Lost track. Lost my focus, my composure. And we're going to start it off with Grubbin, Varoom, Drifloon, Blink, Toad Scroll, Tofu, Nian Shao. And our first is Eevee. Second, we got Crispin. And our rare is Iron Boulder. Iron Boulder Hollow. Those are time to dozen. I think how many times I've seen Iron Boulder. So many that I can care less. That's how many. I'd rather get the little Eevee here reverse than that Iron Boulder Hollow. But yep, pack number 8 right here. Pack number 8. We're one away from the end of the ETB. So here we go. Code card. And Meditite. Blink. Turtonator. Impidimp. Lapras. We got Terrain. Togedemaru. And our first is Mienshao. Second, Clang. And our rare is Hydrapple EX. Yes, we got the double rare Hydrapple. Look at all them snakes sticking their head out of an apple. Something kind of fierce. So slithery. Oh, sorry guys, I'm losing my mind. And of course, an energy behind that. And we will get this taken care of properly with a sleep. I can almost do it. My vocal cords ain't quite working with me. But we are making an attempt at it. And that's all that counts. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. I get at least try. And I'm about to finish up this last pack. Excuse me. Alright, final pack. We got that last pack magic. Code card. And we will find out. Excuse me. Impidimp. Tauros. Crowbrawler. Octoberry. Coradon. Tornadus. And we got Glammeow for the first. Second. Oh, Pokey friends and family. Look at that. We got Gopin. Illustration rare. And just like that, we are in the business. Yes. Beautiful card. Beautiful. And that is only the second reverse hollow position. What do we got for the rare? Do we got a double whammy? Let's find out. Nope. We got Grimmsnarl Hollow. Very good looking card too, but Gulpin is definitely outshining him. Beautiful last pack magic. Amazing. Amazing.
And just like that, we're going to sleep it up.
Brutal. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys and gals. Oh, that's brutal. See, that sounded horrible even to me. And let's get these final two sleeved up here. This is a very nice grim snarl. And one for Glam Meow. Good little card as well. And just like that, we are done with that ETB of Stellar Crown. So, let's see what our mystery box brought us. Let's find out real quick. Well, I'll tell you what, right off the bat, this foil paper is enough to make like 5 packs of some of the older, gosh, are they drawing blank? The first Starting Violets and some of the old Sun and Moon, they just wouldn't utilize any kind of foil paper. It was like the cheapest stuff you could find. But in that pack, they definitely did not skimp out. And we're going to start off with Houndor, Tadpole, Steenie, Galdean Whooper, Whiskus, Floatzel, and our first, Umbreon, that was our first. Clipper, second. Togekiss, our second was Rowlet. And then
Our rare was Togekiss. I messed
that
up.
all up. What a bummer. But wasn't nothing good, so didn't really lose out on anything. It was what it was, and it is what it is. And we're going to get into our final Obsidian Flame pack of the mystery box. With all the foil paper needed to make a great pack.
Code card.
And starting off with Togepi, Lampent, Bloom, Bronzer, Mawile, Arden, and our first, Stunfisk, now it's our first, Pidgeotto, second, Baltoy, and our rare is Toxtricity. Hello, nothing special, again, what a surprise, but, what I can say is it didn't give us a dang thing, so it gave us something good, at least a decent pack. MJ Holdings, sometimes they do some horrible skimping, straight burning customers. I mean, I know it's a mystery box, but at least throw something in there halfway decent. See, now you can feel the difference between this foil paper and the one I was just opening on those Obsidian Flames, day and night.
Code card.
And starting off with Horsey, Joltik, Loudred, Remoraid, Technical Machine, Turbo, Energize, Wug Trio, and our first, after Technical Machine, Blindside, now we got our first, I believe, Mienfoo, second, Toad School, and our rare
Is Garganical. Hollow. What a straight bust on all 3 of those packs. Great job, MJ Holdings. That's an amazing mystery box there. I want my mystery packs to look exactly like that every time. Said no one ever. Give me $20 and let me sell you that junk. Well, Pokey Brandon and family, it came to an end. And unfortunately, we did not find anything in our mystery box. We got the diddly. So, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not done so already. And until next time, I'm out.